Hey guys, Jason Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute with your 4 must-dos while working virtually inside your real estate investment business. Times are tough, times are weird, times are different. That's okay. There's no excuse. Business is still going on. Number one, make sure you are still bettering yourself and educating yourself and reading and listening to podcasts and growing. That's super important to do. And if you have more time now, spend more time on that. Number two, continue to work on your business or in your business, I should say, with your transactions. Spend time making sure your deals are closing. Work with your buyers, work with your sellers. Spend time on these transactions. Number three, growth. Growth is the most important thing. If you have more time on your hand, spend more time on creating marketing campaigns and growing your business, putting systems and processes in place. And number four, make sure you're communicating with people. Business is not always done online, but if you do have to be online, use FaceTime, use Zoom, social distance offline with people. That's how business is had. That's how relationships are had. So make sure you're communicating with people.